this is question 6 from the mini test 2 part 1. So you've got a particle acted on by two coplanar forces, one of magnitude 1 Newton and the other of magnitude x newtons, unknown. The directions of the forces are not known, but you know that the resultant on the particle is 3 newtons. So you want to know the kind of range of values that x could possibly be. So could x be 2? So x could be 2, so 1 plus 2 is 3, that's true. Could x be 4? Yes, it could be 4, because 1 plus 4 is obviously not 3, but if you do 1 plus minus 4, then that would give you 3, or minus 3 I should say, which is the force. The minus is the direction. So it could be 2, could be 4. So it's not just that one or that one, so it's either going to be C or D. Well, we already know it could be 2, and we already know it could be 4. So it must be C. There's also a value in between, so if you set the vectors, I should really draw these. So the got 3 newtons this way in the x direction. So that first one, so 1 newton pointing this way, like that. So to form the complete vector 3 newtons, you'd add another 2 newtons this way. So here is the 3 newtons, like this. So that 3 newtons can be formed by a 1 newton vector plus a 2 newton vector. So that will give you 3 newtons, so adding tip to tail. So that one is, we could have x equals to 2, so that one's that. But also that one there, that 2 there, so also C. The other case with the 4, so you could have you're trying to make 3 newtons, so you have, let's say, 1 newton to the right, but you could also have, so from that 1 newtons, you can point this way with a vector of 4 newtons. So that would be the vector pointing this way, so like that. So 4 newtons. So it's kind of pointing in that direction. So when you add the 1 newton to the right plus the 4 newtons to the left, you end up with a vector of 3 newtons in this direction. So adding them together, so 3 newtons. And that's the value of x being 4. So there is one more case. You could also form this using a triangle. So you could have 3 as a resultant, so say the resultant vector. Then you'd have 1 newton, say like this, which is that force, and then the missing force x would be the leg of that triangle there. So this would be 3 newtons, that would be your hypotenuse, this would be 1 newton. So there would also be a force there, which is between 2 and 4. So there is a range of kind of 3 values.